Tool Tuesday, baby. So we just got this Diablo Demo Demon 7 1/4 24 teeth framing demolition. Next generation. And the biggest thing that I like about this is it's made in Italy. So we're at the Little Italy renovation and we're cutting through this subfloor, putting our temporary wall in. This was our original Diablo blade, and we obviously burnt through the carbide tips, and that's because there used to be cement board on top of this, and we basically started blowing through some screws, some drywall screws that was holding the cement board down on top of the plywood. So I know I shouldn't have done this, but we were just trying to get this done just to kind of see what we had. So we're going to get this thing on here, and we are basically going to run from here to there, and you can obviously see in our path we're going to at least hit, well, if I start back here, we're going to blow through 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 basically drywall screws, and we'll put the link where you can get this. Warren, how much was this thing on Amazon?
About 15 and a half, maybe. Around
15 and a half. I think eventually we'll probably do a, what do you think, Warren? Should we do a review on this saw too?
Oh yeah.
It's been a pretty good saw for us. These are our reverse threads. Most of them are, in case you're wondering. Let me take the battery out. Probably safety first. There's no blade, but anyway. So, blade direction. These are upside down. Blade direction. That is kind of weird sometimes. You know, you got your arrow going that way, and then if you put it that, you're going backwards. So sometimes I write on them. I'll get a paint marker or something and reverse it. But just to let you know, on this saw, the arrow's going that way. You put it on, it's basically backwards. So you got to put this in there like that. Yep, reverse thread. So I'm interested to see how this does. Lock this thing in. Little lock right there. Get it a little snug. That's good. You got any safety glasses laying around?
Yeah.
So the saw. Got them. Cool. So saw depth. You got yours on? You put a pair on too. The saw depth is probably about 1 inch or so. It should definitely at least get us through this plywood, and it's obviously these joists right here. It's hitting the tops of them, but all that's coming out, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so we're gonna start back here. We'll do a plunge cut, so to speak. And then basically I'm just gonna ride this shoe up against this. Let's see how she does. Right there. Take a look at this blade. It did all right, I think. Zoom in on that, Warren. It's not too bad. let's go. Let me get further back here, and that way our cut's like all the way. Yeah, I can plunge right here. There it is. Let me get I'll get like a little flat bar in it. It should pop out. Where's your little blue flat bar? Here it is. Let's see what we got. Yeah, need a flat bar. One missing here. We'll be able to get that out. But you can see that's pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. I'd say that that passed the test. But I don't know. I mean, it struggled over there a little bit, I think. Don't you think, Warren?
Yeah.
I don't know if it was like hung on maybe at one of those drywall screws. It was like the full head of one, maybe. But I mean, that was probably at least 8 to 10 drywall screws, and I think it went right through them. So anyway, Diablo Demon, I think it was 24 teeth, right?
Yep.
24 tooth. It says demo / framing in the description. They're, what was it, 13, 14 bucks?
15.
15 on Amazon. So yeah, so that'll do it for this one. Like I said, I think eventually we'll definitely do a review on this saw. This saw's been pretty good. And anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.